I'm a fucking pretty princess.
Greetings, my sexy little pumpkins. And welcome to Crazy Train News. I'm Todd Newman.
And I'm Janet Walter.
Now, you guys might be thinking to yourselves,
holy shit, you do, what the fuck is this shit? The animation stinks and the voices aren't real actors, you just use faking text to speech and now it sounds like doggy shit. This sucks balls, sad galaxy balls, blah dab 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 spicy Pokemon day blows on anti titty soil allowable could be this season to be jolly allowable sequels to the new seeps effects
You need to shut the fuck up!
A few moments later.
anyhow, today's top story is about some black dude from Alabama who got arrested for downloading some child pornography into his computer. Here's a recreation of the crime scene using the world's most advanced pieces of technology in the world. Ooh-hee, ooh-ha, ting-tang, walla-walla, bing-bang, ooh-hee, ooh-ha, ting-tang. Ooh-ha, ting-tang, walla-walla, bing-bang.
Notice me, senpai! Notice me!
F-U-C-K I-T-C-H-E-P-O-L-I-C-E.
Put your hands up. You're under arrest for sneaking child pornography.
Oh snap. I better protect this DVD copy of my latest film, Hot Sexy Tanuki Bowser X Minecraft X Toddlers and Kiara's Orgy Spermy Fun Times, that I legally put it on Facebook and Pornhub.
Run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm
Black and sexy.
Motherfucker.
Run, bitch! Run!
Go, 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 go! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, too fast!
Hilarious and original!
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast, too fast, too fast, too fast, faster!
6.5 hours later.
I better make a run for it before then.
Yeah, boy! Notice me, senpai!
And shit.
Tomorrow.
He was then sent to custody afterwards.
Now let's go to the sports reports room with Snoop Dogg, Colonel Sanders and Ronald McDonald.
Smoke weed every day.
Go for the train.
The Sport Reports program is brought to you by the Krusty Krabs. They make dank burgers, so watch this bottle flip. Yo, what's up? It's Jack Boy Snoop Dogg here. And sitting next to me is Snazzy All Colonel Sanders and Ronald McDonald.
What's up, boy?
Hi, yo, boys and girls.
Today's sport report is about last night's hockey game featuring the Vegas Golden Knights and the San Jose Sharks.
The Golden Knights beat the Sharks in a total score of 7-0 points.
Yeah, and not only that, but they also are heading to the Western Conference Finals, which I think is pretty rad. Marc-Andre Fleury made 28 saves in his fourth shootout in the playoffs. The goals were all made by Jonathan Marchessault, Nate Schmidt, and Cody Eakin. The series started with a 7-0 shootout by the Sharks in Game 1. However, the rest of the games didn't come quite as easy for the expansion team. 2 of the games went into overtime and the Sharks also had a shootout in Game 4.
Well, that's all we have for today, boys. Again, I'm Snoop Dogg, reporting live from Bikini Bottom. And we'll all see you next week.
No problem, Snoop Boy. Anyway, today on National Embarrassments, Justin Trudeau edition.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Justin Bieber, I mean Trudeau, legalizes marijuana. Which, in my opinion, is the dumbest thing Trudeau ever done. Now let's hear some opinions from the public.
Greeting. I'm Sarah Brooks. And I'm reporting live from Toronto. But why choose Toronto, you may ask? because we can. Anyway, it's so nice to be in Toronto, isn't it? I mean, just look how nice the traffic is.
Oh.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Well, I think it's fucking stupid what he did. If I ever see that lying handsome piece of shit in person, I'll kick his Canadian schnitzels and tell him to get me some wriggling.
My mom says that marijuana's a good number for kids. Mom says that smoking marijuana can cause cancer and stuff.
Okay.
So do agree or disagree on legalizing marijuana is a good idea?
No! Watch this. They're legalizing marijuana. Mom, do you know what that means?
Yeah, that means that we don't have to get ours from China.
Well, what the hell are we waiting for? Mom, grab the pipes. We're gonna smoke some weed.
Fuck yeah, let's get stoned.
Goo. Justin Trudeau gives me a big banana, and I'm peeling up and down when I see him on TV.
Okay, I think that's enough for today. Tom?
Alrighty then. Another top story for tonight is a BC woman who was fired from her job for being a racist turd. Here's some footage from the incident. Let's watch it.
No, go
Okay,
ahead.
well
What else
shut
you
your
want?
fucking mouth then. Because you know what? You're dealing with a Canadian woman right now, and I will leap across this table and punch you right in your fucking mouth.
For what?
You're the one who's
Because you're a fucking ignorant prick, is what you are. Yeah, you're fucking funny, eh? Holy fuck. Go back to your fucking country. We don't need
say
you
like
here.
respect, just,
You know
just
what?
respect.
Excuse me?
Just respect. Don't say like that.
Relax.
We all
Excuse
Canadian.
me?
We all
Relax.
Canadian.
Excuse
Don't
me?
respect us
I
like
was
that.
born and raised here.
relax.
Doesn't matter.
I am
Relax too.
Canadian.
You relax. It doesn't matter. We're all Canadians.
No,
You relax.
you're
Yeah.
not Canadian.
Yes, we're all
No,
the same.
you are not
You're a
Canadian.
human being. I'm a human being.
You
There's
are not
nothing
Canadian.
special about you.
No, you are not Canadian.
It does not matter.
You
that
know
doesn't
what?
make me.
You know what? I
You
have a
don't- you
different
don't-
opinion than you,
I don't care.
and I don't give a
don't care.
fuck what you think.
I don't care what
How
you
about
say.
that?
I don't
How
care
about
what
that?
you say.
Good for you.
Well, good for you too.
Do you pay taxes here, my friend?
Fucking, of course I pay
Do you
taxes.
pay taxes?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Full on taxes?
Yes, everybody
You
fucking
pay-
pay taxes.
Oh, everybody pays
Yes.
taxes, really?
Yeah.
You do.
Of course I fucking
Were you
do.
were
What do
born
you
and
think?
raised here?
I pay more
Not
fucking
all
taxes
your
than
fucking
you.
friends pay
Don't
taxes
fucking
here.
tell me. what to
Excuse
do.
me?
Excuse
You know
me.
what? You're not dealing with one of your Syrian bitches right now. You're
need to
dealing
take
with a
out first.
Canadian woman, and I'm not going to be talked down
But
to
you're the
by
one who
you.
turned around and talking to us.
I'm not
You're
going to
the
be
one who
talked
was
down
problem.
to by you. So you laugh all you want. You know what? That's a prime example of why we don't want you here.
Okay, what else?
Wow.
There you go.
You know what?
You're the
You're
man.
a dick.
You're the man.
Thank you.
You're the man.
She's the
Thank
one
you,
who
Your
turned
Honor.
around.
You know what? I didn't do anything. He's eyeing me up.
He never eyed you. You're the one who
No,
stared at
actually, I
him.
turned around.
She was apparently in the possession of narcotics. Despite apologizing to the guy, she was still fired from her job.
Anyway, let's check on the weather with Tina Lang. Tina?
Sure thing, Tom. Anyway. Sorry about that. Anyway, the weather doesn't look pretty, as you can see on TV here. There's a bit of a problem in many traffic areas. All the elderly people in our local retirement home got crushed to death, and there's a big tornado in the neighborhood. Also, our Taco Bell ran out of Doritos tacos again.
Oh, come on!
So yeah, things are not going smoothly, as planned. In fact, one of our crew just got squashed by a car that landed on him. I think that's enough for tonight. Tom?
Well, I think that's all for tonight. Again, I'm Tom Newman.
And I'm Janet Walter.
And we'll all see you fellas next time. Also,
Look out for the train.